We are back with a new video, and as always I bring you the newest arrivals of the week at your favorite Costco store. I found a lot of new products, new seasonal arrivals, delicious snacks, new kitchenware, more frozen food options and much more. And just as a quick reminder, remember that these deals may vary depending on your store location, and same as always, you guys please do not forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. And do not forget to take advantage of these offers. With the React token, you can get an additional 30 when you sign up and spend 30 or more using the referral link that is in the video description. So let's start of this video with the frozen food sections. We are seeing a couple of different items when it comes to the brand Cuisine Adventure. We have these Cubano inspired bites. They are golden pastry, about 360 pieces. You get about 2 bags of 18 pieces, each selling at $9.99. Their Cubano inspired bites, they spend super tasty. Nice part about these, you can throw them in the oven or even in the air fryer, so it could make really quick meal. Nutrition facts are 4 of these 230 calories, 12 grams of fat, 22 grams of carbs and 8 grams of protein. There you have the integration list. But has anyone tried these? Have you gotten a chance to sample these at your local Costco? If so, let us know if you like them, and if you recommend them, let us know in comment section. Here we have another item from the same brand, Costco Adventures. It's mini quick. You get 2 different flavors, flirting or 3 cheese. So it comes with 72 pieces, and it seems like it's built up into 3 different trays of 24 pieces each. It sells at $17.99 for about 3.3 pounds worth of this product. So let's see here with the nutrition facts. They are splitting it up between both. These are different options. So service has about 4 pieces, anywhere between 250 to 280 calories, 15 to 17 grams of fat, 470 to 530 when it comes to sodium, 22 grams of carbs and a bit of protein in there. But you can pretty much throw these in the air fryer, even in the microwave or in a conventional oven. But there is another item that recently arrived at my local Costco, and I have not gotten a chance to try these just yet. I will let you know what I think about these as soon as I manage to grab a sample. So this was today's video, and I hope you like the video. Please leave a like and also hit the subscribe button. I will see you next one. Bye bye.